Are you ready to explore one of the most vibrant and striking colors in the art world? Today, we'll take a closer look at a special shade from Daniel Smith-Hansa Yellow Deep. Together, we'll discover its technical features, artistic applications, and even some surprising facts. Stay with us until the end for an inspiring journey through color. Hansa Yellow Deep is made with the PY65 pigment, offering a unique level of transparency. Its high light fastness ensures your artwork remains bright and vivid over time. With its warm undertones, this color is perfect for creating sunlit scenes. Hansa pigments were first developed in Germany in the early 20th century. Their organic composition makes them environmentally friendly and a safe alternative to traditional cadmium yellows. Hansa Yellow Deep stands out as one of the most intense shades in this series, admired for its brilliance. Where can Hansa Yellow Deep bring life to your artwork? Landscape paintings, ideal for creating stunning skies, sunsets, and fields. Floral compositions, perfect for capturing the vibrant yellows of sunflowers and daisies. Abstract art, a great choice for adding energy and dynamism to your composition. Hansa Yellow Deep represents the bright sunlit tones you see in nature. From sunflowers to yellow canaries, this shade draws inspiration from the natural world, bringing its energy into your artwork. Which colors pair well with Hansa Yellow Deep? Purples and blues, for vibrant contrasts. Oranges and reds, to create warm, energetic palettes. Greens, for natural and serene compositions. Hansa Yellow Deep offers a safer alternative to traditional cadmium yellows. When used intensely, it produces a bold, eye-catching hue, while diluted applications reveal a soft, transparent effect. This color is perfect for layering techniques and various watercolor projects. How would you use Hansa Yellow Deep? Share your ideas in the comments below. We love seeing your creative experiments. And if there's another color you want us to explore, let us know. Every color tells a story waiting to be painted. Join us next time as we explore the magic of another hue. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out. See you in the freedom of colors.